In this video, I'm going to show you how to dock panel in Premiere Pro. Now, docking panel in Premiere Pro is actually pretty useful, especially if you are using it for different scenario. For example, in my case, you should be able to see here that I have the project and I don't really like this one here. So what I do is just simply right click on it and then we can go ahead and click undock panel. The moment you do that one, you should be able to see the panel in here. Now, what I like to do is just dock this somewhere else. So I go ahead and drag that, and the moment I do that, you should be able to see something like this. This is where you have the potential to put it. So you can go ahead and try to choose your spot where you are going to put it. In my case, I usually put it on the left side panel. There you go. And then I can go ahead and adjust this one right here. The same thing here and the same thing here. So I don't need the others here. What I need the most is the effects. So I can go ahead and click the effects, right click on it, and then I just undock it just like so. And then I can go ahead and basically increase the size here. And effects, I usually just put it here at the side. There you go. And then I also try to remove, not really remove, but basically just make it as small as possible. And yeah, there you go. So that is usually how I edit. And that, everybody, is how you are going to dock and undock panel here in Premiere Pro. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let me know in the comments if this video helps you out.